Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle in this puzzle page of Saturday, January the 20th, 2024. I've already solved 3 puzzles. The 3-star Sudoku I've already solved. The killer Sudoku I've already solved, and the binary. It's time now for the Tectonic, aka JigsawSudoku. And this one will be number 7839. 7839. Let me put this here. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. So I think it's a 1-star. Maybe 2 stars. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1-star or a 2-star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always 1. No single boxes in this puzzle. I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this here we have a dual box. This box can be a 2. We already have a 2 there, so the 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Here, another dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 3. Well, those numbers. Well, this box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, it can be a 5 now, because we have a 5 there, so this box should be a 4. Alright. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Well, it can be a 1, because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Alright. Here we have another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. But also that box That's the same number as this box. Alright. So that box, that's the same number as this box. So in this case, it's 2 here. Alright. Only one T shape. And we have here the last shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. We have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle, not only one. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maxima 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright. Okay. Let me see. Which we have here a 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes in there. Then this box can be a 1, this box can be 2, so the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area. For number 5, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 5, but also that box can be a 5. So the only place left for the 5 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Now I cannot continue. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the only place left for the 1 in this cross area should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Right. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Yeah. Then these 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, let me mark those. Alright. That means that this box cannot be a 3 or a 5. We have a double 3 there, double 5 there. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then, let me see. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 5 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 and 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Then. Yeah. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then this box can be 2. That box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Then. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I'm thinking. This box can be a 5, but also that box can be 5. We have a double 5 there. So the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. Yeah. Excuse me. Wow. 3 times. So 2 and a 5 as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, well, I cannot place the 3 here because we have a double 3 there. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this squash area should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4 and a 3, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Yeah. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 and 5, we have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. And 1 box left in this squash area for number 5. 14 minutes. Yeah. We solve it again. So, definitely a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow on Sunday. We have 4 puzzles in the additional, and in the evening, the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.